Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today I am just in the middle of disassembling this insert for this Evans table lighter. It's extremely sticky, doesn't have a wick or wadding. And not only that, but there's something broke inside of it. It's not rotating as it should. So I was taking it apart and I popped that front side off of there, and then it suddenly hit me that Dylan might want to watch me do this. So I got the camera set up and here we go. You want to be careful when you're prying those things off. They can get bent up real easy. This is a Spitfire mechanism, Evans, so it's going to have rivets in it, and it looks as though, I don't know if somebody put that glue in there for the rivets or if that was just to keep those cover plates on, but certainly left a mark. We'll see if we can get these rivets pushed out and get the mechanism disassembled. Okay, that came right out, so something tells me that this lighter has been disassembled before. Okay, easy enough. So here we have the fulcrum rivet on both second fulcrum rivet. Forgot to pull my flint out. Lighter School 101. I make at least one mistake in every video. Okay, so now we go ahead and get a look at our mechanism here. Wheel looks fine. I don't know if the ratchet arm has worn smooth. This is the piece I was needing, so we'll see if we can get that one cleaned up and switched out onto this other lighter. This is just kind of a for fun project. It's sitting here in front of us, so why not? Boy, that is nasty. Very nasty. So we're going to get this soaked in alcohol probably overnight. Get it cleaned up. Pretty certain though it was the snuffer. Which this one is definitely worn, and if it's the ratchet arm, then that's not gonna work unless we switch that out. So anyway, that's how you disassemble the Evans Spitfire mechanism. It's also how you would disassemble the Evans trigger light. I've never had a Evans roller bearing in my hands or disassembled, so I can't say that for certain, but I think it is probably the same as well. I know the Spitfire and trigger light parts are interchangeable, and come apart the same way. The 1954 lighter repair manual generally advises replacing old worn out parts with new parts, even if it was the newer style. Definitely pretty bad shape. Brass, or the plating, has worn down to the brass, I should say. So we'll just see how it cleans up, and if this particular snuffer will work interchangeably. It should. That's just another Spitfire mechanism over there. But like I said, something wasn't copacetic in this lighter. It was sparked sometimes, but not on a consistent basis. So anyway, feel like I'm rambling now, but really I was just wanting to let you guys see the disassembly of the Evans Spitfire mechanism, and now I'm going to soak that in alcohol to get it clean and hopefully get this sticky residue that has coated this entire insert. It's got my entire hands, both my hands, gummed up. Well, I'm not going to have enough alcohol to completely cover it, so I'll have to rotate it at some point. So we'll check back on this at a later date and get it reassembled. Until next time.